Don't try this at home without adult supervision. Hi guys, my name is Kanoe and I'm 5 years old. We're going to be learning to make quesadillas. We're going to use this book from Usborne. You gotta grab our ingredients now. We need cheese, tomato, green onion, and one more tomato. Wait, our cheese. We need 4 ounces. Look at our cheese! So now we preheat the oven for 350 degrees. We got our tomatoes! Now we can put our quesadilla together. Now we need 4 tortillas. So now we're gonna brush olive oils on the tortillas. And then we put oil side down on your cookie sheet. Flip. Okay, that's easy. Do the same with the tortilla. Now we're gonna scatter cheese almost to the edges. Oops. About half of the cheese will do. So now we put green onion and tomatoes on. So let's start with the green onion. Man, this is so good, I want to eat it. I'm going to make a happy face with them. Here comes the happy face. We're doing 2 happy faces so that we don't fight over for the same tortilla. That's not a happy face. Put some cheese on top of the happy faces. I'm so sad. I'm gonna put some tomatoes on here to make a sad face. Now we cover it with tortillas. We need to brush with olive oil. And then after we put it in the oven, pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it, mark it with the B, and put it in the oven for baby and me. We put the olive oil, and do you know why? So it can crisp up. It's ready for the oven, and my mama has to help me. Go ahead, Mom. Put it in. We bake for 8 to 10 minutes or to light golden brown. So now let's plate it. Ow, ow, ow! Cut it into 4s. Use a pizza cutter. Doesn't that look delicious? Delicious, that means. We need to serve it with guacamole and sour cream. I do like this one. These are little dumplings walking on the moon. And they finally found the star too.
Wow, Kanoe, that looks delicious. Whoa.
Now let's go serve it to the customers. Mmm. It's super delicious. You gotta try it.
Okay. What do you say?
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe. Bye.